All right, let's take a look at the second chorus. Starts with a real deep one draw, so drop your jaw, really pull the tongue back. Now a 3-draw, I said that rule of thumb, don't hit that 3-draw natural. Put that there on purpose. One is it's real fast. Tends not to be so much of an error if it's real fast. And keep in mind that blues is all about playing notes that are dissonant. And playing real bluesy blues is about hitting really dissonant notes. So it works. 3-draw unbent's a dissonant note. But the listener doesn't have the opportunity to listen and really savor the fact that that's not a great sounding note. It works just fine in this application. Now I mean by not great sounding note, a note that is really dissonant. So it works fine. I could have put a 3-draw half-step bent, and it would have been difficult to play. It wouldn't have made so much of a difference. Basically, if we hold that 3-draw longer, the listener is going to be able to judge how good that note sounds. Moving on. Now from the 2-bend, it releases up, leading to a 1-blow. This is a first position idea on the 4-chord. I should probably spend a little time and talk about this, and I do on the website have a series on positions and understanding position playing. Something that we find, again this is for our more advanced players, is that in slow blues we tend to see position substitutions a lot more common. When we think of C harmonica playing in second position, what key do you play in? It's the key of G. So C harmonica plays in the key of G. Alright, so the 1 chord is a G chord. First note of the scale, G. A 4 chord is G, A, B, C. So my C harmonica playing on a C chord, does that sound familiar? A C harmonica played in C is first position. So all the cool bluesy licks you learned in first position apply to the 4 chord in second position. How about the 5 chord? G, A, B, C, D. You're playing a C harmonica on a D chord. Does that sound familiar? C harmonica played in the key of D on a D chord is third position. So on the 5 chords, we can use all the great third position ideas. Now, if you're still focused on second position, which many of you are right now, then this doesn't really mean a lot. When you dig into third position and spend a year just enjoying third position and exploring everything you can on that, then spend another 6 months focusing on first position, you round the horn and come back to second position playing, and you find your second position playing has been supersized. What you used to do on 4 chords and 5 chords become much more rich and have a lot more meaning. So let's move on. So let's do the pickup to the 4 chord again, starting on beat 3. That's the 2-draw bend. Okay, now here's where we come up to a spot I want to talk about. Everything up to that point is just real thick and heavy and bluesy. Now we're going to go to this 4 chord where we're going to go for a whiny, bluesy, piercing 5-draw. And every time we play that 5-draw, we're going to dip it. That's textural balance. That's what makes for great songs. You hear how it gets less bluesy as the line goes to finish? Again, it's about resolving that bluesy tension. Let's start on that 5-draw together. 3, 4. Moves on. Isn't that nice? All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. Second chorus. Okay, on my count, 2, 3, 4.